I'll update you more later.
So now I can finally carry on with this update and talk you through what really happened that weekend. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, you'll just have to watch my previous video. So on Friday that weekend, I went to have my first consultation with Accentuate, and secret is out. I'm going for blue. So the next day, I went to Fitness Portal to attend a seminar where these pros showed us what to do and what not to do when posing. And then I went on to doing my own posing practice. And I need to sort out that hair flake thing. Still got a lot of work to do, but she'll be right. Good morning guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a video about what I would eat in a day if I had the time. As to be honest, I love cooking, but there are days when I'm just like, yeah, I can't bother. But today's Sunday, 21st of August, 10 weeks from my show. It's my rest day, so I have all the time in the world. So I'm gonna do all my meals and make it more presentable. I have the time. So yeah, I'm gonna start with breakfast, my first meal. So I might change, I might just talk in American from now on because my family likes it better when I speak in American because it's more clear for them. Yeah. Okay, first meal of the day. So 60 grams of oatmeal, and oatmeal is meant to be weighed raw or uncooked. I'm just gonna put water in it and then put it in the microwave for like a minute or something. I'm so happy I got the consistency right for this oatmeal because sometimes it's really runny and I can't do anything about it, but this time it's the right consistency. Today's gonna be a good day. Started off with a nice consistency of my oatmeal. And I'm gonna put 20 grams of protein powder. Where I can't really mix this with just one hand, BRB. I'll put 100 grams of blueberries. Perfect. So 20 grams of the peanut butter. So first meal of the day, meal 1 of 6. By the way, if you're new here, I am Pauline and I am competing in IFBB based in New Zealand in less than 10 weeks from now. So I had my check-in yesterday with my coach. Check-in is when you update your coach with where you're at in terms of your training, your meal plan, your nutrition, how you're feeling, your sleep quality, your recovery. Keep that accountability. So my endurance, still pretty good. I still have the strength, although my input is getting lower. I still have that strength at the gym. I have still that energy. I don't feel as hungry anymore. Like, I think my body has adapted to the lower calories. It's still fairly high, but yeah, getting lower. Recovery, I don't feel sore at all after my workouts, which is cool, which is good. There's this big misconception that soreness is an indicator that you did a good of a job with your workouts. No, you don't have to feel sore. My overall well-being is pretty good too. Like, I've been focusing more on my mental health more than my physical, although physical is a big thing. Like, if I had to choose between the two, I would go for my mental. Keeping my stress as low as possible. I might actually do a blood test as well, just to check what's happening internally. Trying to make this prep as healthy as possible. Make sure that I'm in the best state possible physically and mentally. I just had my first meal of the day, and I have fish oil as well after meal. One of my subs is fish oil. Good for your joint, heart, skin, and brain health. Not sponsored.
2,000 years later.
So now I'm up to my second meal of the day, which is 200 ml of egg whites, 2 egg yolks. I'm gonna mix that, and then 1.5 muffin.
Baby.